Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'm turning this tire into a coffee table. As you can see, I did clean it first, and now I'm adding a pre-cut piece of cardboard to the bottom. And now I will be turning the tire around and adding these roses that I got from the Dollar Tree. And if you like roses without the stems, you can purchase them off of Amazon. I just got more roses from the Dollar Tree for a cheaper price. And now I am removing the roses from the stems. And as you can see here, I thought about using spray paint, but I changed my mind. Now I'm starting off by gluing rows of the roses. And if you're planning on doing this project, make sure you use a lot of hot glue. And I am removing the little piece of stem that's connected because I want my roses to lay flat. And while I am doing the rows, I am going back in with more roses to fill in the gaps. And y'all excuse this side of the tire. I was originally going to do something else with this tire, but then I decided to do this project. So that's why you see that extra glue on the side. And also some of the roses are different colors, but it's because I already had some and I wanted to use them. But I did go back over and correct them with spray paint. And now I am going back in with the roses and covering up the gaps. Next, this part is optional, but I am creating a cubby for my table, and I'm using this piece of cardboard to do that. And I will be using hot glue to secure it. And as you can see in this clip, I decided to show the white part instead of the cardboard part. And I pre-cut this red circle to fit inside, and as well as these red panels. Next, I am adding in these red roses on the top, and that's just to cover the tire. And like I said, this part is optional. I'm going to be adding a mirror on top, so it really just depends on your preference. I am now adding in my last little bit of roses. And the last thing I did was add on these table legs that I got from IKEA. And voila, here is my rose table. I love it. I love it. And like I said, I did do some touch-ups with red spray paint just to blend all the roses in together. And this is how the table looked inside. And here's another clip of how the table looked with the glass top. Please let me know your thoughts on this project. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.